Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Lutfia. If you're new here, I hope you stay and subscribe. Today's video, on today's vlog, I'm just gonna be showing you my journey to Zanzibar. I'm gonna do like a Zanzibar travel diary, and it's gonna have different parts. So this is the first part. I'm gonna insert a clip of my journey to Zanzibar. So I'll show you what I do in Zanzibar. I'm gonna show you exactly how I spend my vacation. I'm gonna show you what I do and all of that. I'm gonna be here for a few months. Last time I came here, I only stayed for a month, but this time around I'm gonna be here for more than 6 months, so it's gonna be interesting. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Is where my journey begins. I was traveling with my young brother. This is what I had for breakfast. I had some eggs, sausage, and wedges. On this particular flight, I was watching The Lion King, which was really nice. I didn't show myself much in the video because my hands are full, and at this point I was really tired. I was ready to go home. Here's my lunch. We had a few snacks in between the flights, which I didn't record. So on this particular day, we had some pasta, chicken, veggie rice, pudding, crackers, bread, some beverage. So guys, we have reached our destination. We have reached Zanzibar. So it's the next day, and on this day we were going to Kuengwa, and we had so many activities planned out. We were so ready, and guess what? It started raining. The day started off so beautiful. As you can see, it was so nice outside. All of a sudden, it just started raining. So we had to cancel this day. We had to cancel all the activities that we wanted to do. We had some lunch and we went home. Though we didn't do anything, I just wanted to include the clip anyways. I wanted you guys to see the rural area of Zanzibar. This is outside the city. It's very beautiful. It's very green. I wanted you guys to see this. So yeah,